Alright guys, so I got a comment on one of my videos that airsoft guns have no recoil. This may be true with AEGs, but with gas guns, there is a little bit, and especially on full auto, you can really feel it. So I'm gonna do a little demonstration. I've taped the trigger and the beaver tail safety together. So when I put this mag in, it's set on full auto, and now that this is back, when I let that forward, it should automatically fire. So cameraman, if you don't zoom in, and I will run it dry. Here we go. Are you ready? What's the best way to do this? Probably not that. Alright, I'm just going to set it sideways. You ready? And...
No recoil, huh?
I guess.